I have nothing to left to say as because everything regarding bank has already been told by the coordinator and our respected director sir. But informally or formally, I have to convey my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to respected CW himself. As because and other officials of Jamalpur WhatsApp. As because without their kind help, it was not possible at all to install the ATM within a shortest period. Today, this is our third ATM we have launched. Next ATM will be launched at Asansol. We are very much proud about our banks since at already you have heard that since 1911, 1912, it is running on. And the bank has got the most prestigious award from the respected Minister of Home and Cooperation, माननीय अमित शाह जी के पास से हम लोग बहुत बड़ा prestigious award मिला जे uninterrupted cooperative banking service long since a long more than 100 years. So we have achieved this award in 2022. 23 May we have achieved another awards that is most innovative initiation regarding HR. It has been awarded by Cooperative Banking Federation of All India. That is, we have got it from Goa. Then 2024 में फिर भी हम लोग MIS और Reporting to Reserve Bank of India का award मिला at Lucknow. So these are all have been possible due to your kind cooperation as rendered to us. Otherwise, it was not be possible. So once again, I thank you for your kind renderance to us and to proceed further. We are sure. Masong sir has told that within 3 months we will go live regarding digital banking. But from today itself, I am pleased to announce that RTGS NEFT facility, both incoming and outgoing, has already been started. I have received the message from our HO that it has been started. From outgoing RTGS NEFT was going on, but incoming was not going on. But today itself, it has already been started. So you must start from here. You must start from this branch to receive the amount from outside bank or to send the amount to the outside bank. So this is another achievement of the bank. So next achievement, we will try our best to give you the mobile banking service. The application is under process with the Reserve Bank of India, and it is another. We are proud to announce that we have been awarded as the A rating bank. We are the only one bank in Eastern region. RBI has given you the A rating banking. It's not a matter of joke. We are. I don't hesitate to say. Previously, it was the D category, C category, B, B plus, B plus. Then today we are A category bank. So once again, I request you to congratulate not to our bank staff, but on behalf of the board, I rather congratulate and convey my thanks and gratitude to all of you, as because you have given us the opportunity to render service to you. So we are always at your service. I promise. I assure on behalf of the board, on behalf of the bank staff, that I am ready to serve anywhere, anytime, at any situation. Thank you very much. So kind of you for attending here. So kind of sirs for attending here. And it is the great witness that CWM sir has inaugurated after deducting his valuable time, our ATM. It will be a remarkable issue. Once again, I thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.